So I want to tell you right now about rebalances. Rebalancing can be really difficult. So what I want to explain it to you like this. What can be really difficult whenever you're doing rebalances, whether on Pro Tools or in your head or math. But this program is designed to make it really sort of as simple as possible. So typically when you do a rebalance, you're told, hey, the picture department gives you a note that says, look, grab X amount of footage from the tail of reel 1, put it perhaps at the head of reel 2, take the head of the old reel 3 and put it at the tail of the new reel 2. Okay, and so basically you're moving, from one reel into another and from one reel into another, and then the idea then is to conform that. Okay, so you have your old version, you have your interim rebalance version, and then you have your conform version. That's really the best way that we like to do changes in our industry. There's other ways to do it, and this program can handle it. We can talk about that later, or if you have questions about it, call me. But basically what we're going to do is we want to rebalance our reels. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off, we want to rebalance 1, 2, and 3 into a brand new 2. So we want to rebalance old 1, old 2, and old 3 into a brand new reel 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus sign. We're going to add reel 1 version 13.1. Then we're going to add reel 2 version 13, and then we're going to add reel 3 version 13. Okay? So let's say it worked like this. Let's say we were to grab the last 400 feet of reel 1. Actually, let me check reel 1 here. Where does it go to? It actually goes to 1120. Let's ignore this. It actually goes to 1120. Well, it probably goes further. We'll just say 1200. Okay? So we want to grab from 800 feet to 1200. Okay? So we're going to grab, because there's no Q at 800, it's going to grab from here, okay, up through here. It's going to grab these Qs and it's going to put them at the head of reel 2. So now we need to know where to put it, right? So what we're going to do is I created a brand new reel 2 rebalance. And so everything starting at 800 now goes to 12 feet on the next reel. So this represents the new start footage of reel 2 rebalance. Okay? So now we're going to then, because we're grabbing 400 feet, okay, we're going to grab everything starting at 12 feet on reel 2 out to, let's see where reel 2 ends. All right, let's say 2,000. All the way from 12 to 2,000. Okay, and we're going to put that now at 400 feet. Actually, wait, 412, okay? And then we're going to take the head of 3, let's just say the first 200 feet. We're going to grab from 12 to 200, and we're going to put that now at, we're going to put that at 2412. Okay? So what you've done here is you've specified 3 reels that you want to rebalance from. I'm using my mic here. Excuse me. And then you specify the version you want to put it into. Now at this point, we could choose if we wanted to do and apply a change note, but we're not going to do that just yet, because I've got a button here that says just rebalance only. If you specify a change note, then you can conform. It'll perform the rebalance and then do the conform. But at this point, we just want to do the rebalance only. Okay. So what it's going to do is it's going to go through these 3 reels. It's going to grab material from these footages and it's going to reassemble them at these start times in this version. Okay. So as long as you accurately enter this data, the rebalance, again, we get the same option. All are selected. We'll just do all. The rebalance takes all of a second. Okay. And it's grabbed 144 Qs. Okay. So this first Q that it grabbed, starting at 800, okay, remember how I told you it grabs from 800 and places at 12? Okay, so there's 116 and 11. 116 frames, 116 feet and 11 frames between the first cue and where it starts at. Okay, so let's come here. It's 128 and 11. We see that what this is done is 116 and 11 plus 12 is 128 and 11. So we see it's put it at the right place. Okay, and so basically this is how you do a rebalance. And you've got this new version here which you can label, and it's pretty easy. And then you can choose, if you wish, to conform these cues using the feature over here, or you could just do it separately if you wish. So that's conforming. And then when you want to do another reel, you just remove these, and that's it.